Hello friends and YouTubers, thanks for stopping by. Happy Labor Day to you all. Yeah, today I decided that I'm going to drive around with some air conditioning in my car, and I've tried many different products and was kind of unsure if I needed to bring this car into somebody that could put some Freon in it, or if I should do it myself. So I want to share this product with you. It's called A.C.Pro, and why I like it a lot. I know there's probably plenty of videos out there about this product, but I just want to add my 2 cents in. Now, aside from this wonderful gauge that they give you, another thing I really like is the amount of line they give you, going from wherever you need to go to your low pressure valve. It's very hard to get your hands, I don't know if you can see where I'm at, to actually get in there in the first place. So if the line is too short, there's not going to be a lot of room to be able to move in there, and I don't think anybody has really touched on YouTube about that. I might be wrong, but that is really going to help, because you really got to put some pressure down on that valve, that low pressure valve, to get it to click. And if you don't hear it click, you don't have a good seal. Unscrew that and just take the bottom of your pressure gauge and just slowly screw it in there. And as you can see, it's going up a little bit. Once it gets into the green, it should click. There it goes. Oh yeah, ice cold air. Woo!